All right, folks, we're out at the range today. Beautiful day in the Black Hills. Looking at the new Ultradot 30mm tube red dot, 2 MOA dot, 1 MOA adjustments for elevation and windage. Brand new this year. Comes in this finish or matte black. Extension tube in case it's a bright sunny day. You can take some of the glare off of it. Very, very sturdy. They've been around forever. Made in Japan. Yeah, they've been around forever. They take recoil. Shot them on 460s, 500s, 454s. They work on everything. So let's 686 plus. So 7 shot. Hold big butt grips. Let's do some shooting. Okay, we got it loaded up. We're out here 50 yards. I got a big old chunk of steel up there. I don't know, it's 6-inch or 8-inch. Down there somewhere, you can see it. So, let's see if we can hit anything. Well, there you have it. The new Ultradot. Pretty freaking fancy. Walk down here for this piece of steel. Paint it. You see the group. There you go, 50 yards. Big old chunk of steel. I don't know, 6-inch, 8-inch. I don't know, it's huge. But, I mean, vitals for deer or anything bigger, that's fine. So, let's get it painted. Back up farther. All right, folks, we're back out here. Backed up to 100 with this Ultradot 30mm. Still got steel out there, so let's see if we can hit anything. For all you handgun hunters out there, these little bags from Coltac, the bitty bags. These are the ticket. There's an edge hit. I don't know how many I loaded up. Ah, look at there. Didn't jerk it. Anyway, there you go. Ultradot. Look them up if you need a good tube sight, red dot sight. Have any questions? Let me know.